What's going on, traders? Today we're going to be talking about GHSI and the stock ticker. This stock had a 10.18 million share float and did pop up pre-market, as we can see here. And when the market opened, we ran up a nice little run here, popped up from $1 to $2.25 in pre-market, and then at market open we went from $1.30 to $3.05. So definitely some good moves here. We're going to head and look at the news release that they did today. We can see that they had a medical device receive patent from Hong Kong Patent Registry. So that's some good news. That's one of the reasons why I'm guessing it popped up in pre-market, which gave it the fuel to run today. We can see in aftermarket, we are sitting just below the moving average, and the VWAP is up here at 234. So let's go ahead and start off by drawing our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 290, and we got our support down here at about 175. And then we'll go ahead and put our median right here near the VWAP at 235. So tomorrow, what I'm going to be looking for a long play on this one is I want to see that bullish momentum return, and I got to see us break back above this VWAP here and this median line. So I want to see a break. I'll have my alert set at 235 so I know when that takes place, if it does. Next thing I want to see, once we break through, I want to see us pull back and retest off 235. And once I see that retest and stabilization, just so I know we're not going back down here, I want to see us stabilize, give us a bullish reversal candle, whatever the case may be. I want to see stabilization, and then I have my order set right above that pullback point. So when the momentum does return, I'm ready and I can ride that up to this resistance up here at 290. Now I'll most likely sell 3/4 of my position up here and watch for another repeat play. Just like how it happened down here, I would be watching for the break of 290 and the retest to go ahead and add those 3/4 of my position back. Again, I just wait for the retest and stabilization, and I wait for that momentum to return so I know that we're not going back down like this, right? Now, and again, I wait for that momentum to return, have my order ready, and ride that up to the next resistance, ride that up to the next resistance around here at 345. Now, what I will be watching out for is I will be watching out for a break of 175. If we do get some bearish momentum and it pushes us below 175, I will be looking for a potential short play. Just like up here, how I waited for the break and retest, I'd wait for the break and retest off this 175 again to make sure that we don't go back up like that. I would wait for that momentum to kick us back down, and then I would ride the wave just like up here, but down, have my order ready, my short ready, and once we pass that pullback point here, then I'm in the play down to this next support down here at 113. So those are the moves that I would be looking for tomorrow. Hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit that like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Make sure to share it with your friends. That helps me to keep doing these videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.